Hi guys, welcome back. In this lesson, we will be creating our spatial database. This will store the tables and data that will be used by our application. So the first thing that we need to do is enter the command line interface of PostgreSQL in full admin mode. So this is the default user that's created for you when you install PostgreSQL. Okay, so now we are going to create our database by running the following command. Create db cpt water. So the name of our database will be cpt water. So now the next thing that we need to do is create a new user for our application to access the database. So let's do that by running the following command. Create user -s waterwatch -p. Now we need to add the password. So the password that we will use for this user is just Postgres for simplicity's sake. Okay, so now let's enter into our database from the PostgreSQL shell. So the first thing that we need to do is grant all privileges on our database to our user, which we have called waterwatch. Okay, and the next thing that we need to do is add GIS extensions to convert our database into a geospatial database. So the first extension that we will add is PostGIS. And then the next extension that we will add is PostGIS topology. Okay, once we have done that, we can quit the PostgreSQL terminal by running \q. Okay, so now we have created the spatial database and user for our application. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.